Welcome to my YouTube channel Pearson My IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve the chapter 4 of the SAS part of the SimNet course. And if you need help in any other part of the SimNet course like Excel part, Word part or PowerPoint part, or if you need help in Cengage assignments, Pearson assignments or SimNet assignment, or if you need help in any other course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, statics, writing assignments, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. I am going to start this one assignment. Its name is Assess 2021 in Practice Chapter 4, Project 4-4. That's our assignment name. It's our 4 project, independent project 4-4. Its project description is given here. And for this, we needed a file, American River 04 assess file. Complete file project name will be first name last name dash American River 04. That will be when you complete this one file or when you download from this file from start file from your SimNet dashboard. This file will look like that. Your first name and last name added to the before the file name, and in this we will cover these skills. Which skills we will cover? Create a form using the form button, edit the form in the layout view, add the current date to the form, add a bottom button to the form, set form properties, create a blank report, edit the report in the layout view, add a grouping to a report and preview report. These are the skills we will cover in this assignment. I am going to start this one assignment. I will do this assignment step by step. So by following these steps, you can complete your assignment. In the first step, what is he asking? Up to here, open the American River 04 database start file. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. To enable editing content in the database. So that's our file. You see my last name, my first name, last name is added to the file name. So that's our file. When you open that one file here, it will show enable editing. You will just click the enable edit. These are the steps. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Create a form using the form button. Then in the next, what is he asking? Select the race result table and create a new form from using the form button. So we will select the race result table. That's our race result table. We will go to the create tab, and in the forms group we will select on the form. You see a form is now creating by macro access. That's our form. It's created. And what next he is asking? Your form should look similar to the figure 4.150. Although the layout may be different depending upon the size of the access window you have created the form. So our form will be look like that. You see, that's our form. He tells us in the instruction, and that's the form we have created. 11215F division also. That's the same thing we have created. Total records will be 37. In our form, total records is 37. So our form is correct. What next he is asking? Save the form as a view race results. So we will copy that one, view race result, and save the form as a view race results. Here, say right click on the form and click save, and rename this one name as a view race results and press OK. That's now form is added to the navigation pane. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Edit the form in layout view. So we will go to the layout view. Here we will change this one to layout view. That's now in the layout view. Next, what we need to do? Open the property sheet. For the form, we need to open the property sheet. In the form layout group, just click on the property sheet. You see that's our form property sheet is now opened. In the next step, what is he asking? Change the width of the race ID text box to 1. Remember that all field in the column change to the new width. So we will go to the width, change. That's our race ID already selected. We will change its width to 1. Here in this we will change this one to 1 and press enter. You see all the other text box width is also changed. He tells us in the instruction that when you change the race id text box, all other will be changed. So our all other form will be text box will be changed. So our this step is correct. Next, what is he asking? Add the two rows below the age group field. So we need to add the two rows here after this one. So we will go to the range tab and here we will select insert below. First we will click one, then we will click again. Now you see two rows are inserted below age group. That's our step number C. Change the height of the bottom row to zero point 0.4. So we will select the bottom row. That's our bottom row. We will change that one height to 0.4. Here in this we will change it to 0.4. Press enter. So you see its height is now changed. It's now 0.4. That's our step number 5D. In our 5E, what is he asking? Select the race ID label and change the property top property to 0.75. So we will select the race ID label. That's our race ID label, and we need to change the top ID top one to 0.75. Here you will need to put change the 0.25 to 0.75, 0.75 and press enter. You see that's our top property is changed. Next, what we need to do, and left property to 1.25. So we will select the left property. In the property sheet I am making this one. You will just see it's we will change this one 1.75. It tells us in the instruction. You see our now our form will look like that. That's how no, we need to change that one 1.25, not 1.75. We will make this one as a 1.25 and press enter. So that's our required form layout. Next, what is he asking? Add the date to the form. Choose the date month format. If necessary, deselect include date time check so that the date is added. So we will go to the add the date form. We will go to the change from form layout design and we will select date and time and which format he tells us. It's the second format he tells us to select, and what we need to uncheck the include time, and this is the thing he tells us date month year, and we have selected that one date month and year, and we will press OK. Now you see our date is added to our form in the right. Here you see. Next we need to do select the auto date text box control in the form header and change the width of the auto date to 1 and left property to 4.75. So we will we have already selected that one auto date, that one we will change its width to 1. Here is its width. Before it's 3, we will change that one to 1. And what is the left property? He tells us the left property to 4.75. So we will change that one left property to 4.75. 4.75 and press enter. So that's our required place for our date. That's our step number 5G. In our H, what is he asking? Change the wording of the race result to read member race result. Be careful to enter a space between the word. So we need to change the title of that one form. So we will copy that one and we will deselect that one. That's our we will change it here as a member race result. Be make sure that these two spaces are between them, member and race and results. There is a space. So that's our step. Change the width of the auto header label to 2.5. So we will change that one width, this one width to 2.5. We will change that one width to 2.5. Press enter. So that's our required width of our label text box, auto header label text box. What next we will do? The form will look similar although you have not added yet the button. Our form will look like that because if this one button is not yet added, that one close form button. So before that one our form will look like that. So when we go to the form view, our form will look like that. You see our form is looking like that. That's our step number 5 complete. No, our step number 5 is not complete yet. In our no, step number 5 is complete. In our sixth step, what is he asking? Add a button to the form. How we will add a button? We will go to the design layout view, and here we will add the button. Next, he will tell us the add a command button to the rightmost cell in the second added row. Rightmost cell in the second added row. Here in this we need to add a button. So we will select a button, control button, that's our button. We will put that one here. A button is added to our label. And what next he is asking, the button should close the form from the operation category. So we will select the form operation. And then in the next here it will show a close button because I have not saved that one file yet. So our form will look like that. You will change that one name to close form, and also caption to close form. You see our when you will complete that one step, our look like that. You see our that one when you will go to the form view, it's looking like that in the same in the that one given in the instruction picture. That's our step number 6. We have total 17 steps in this assignment. When you complete this one assignment, this assignment he gives us you a check of the images for when you do any step and then complete a check image is given after every step, so you can check your step is correct or not correct. So I have completed 6 steps in this video. We have total 15 steps, 17 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you want that I will do your assess part of the SimNet course, or if you need any help in any other part like Excel part, Word part, or PowerPoint part, or if you need help in Pearson course, Sam Singh course, or SimNet course, or if you need help in any other course like computer science, business management, mathematics, statics, assignment writing, or any other subject, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the in the thumbnail of the video and in the start of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.